So you think you're ready for phase 6, which I like to call Jackson 5. Why? Because we're solving the 5x5, and the singing group The Jackson 5 had a song called ABC. That is the step we're doing, ABCs for the 5x5. If you've already watched my 3x3 videos, then this step will be as easy as 1, 2, 3, do, re, mi. So I recommend before trying to solve this, if you've never seen my 3x3 video where I teach the ABCs, then you probably want to watch that first. If you can go from a scrambled cube and get all the way to this point where you've solved the ABCs, and you can do it in under 20 minutes, then go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, go to the description and click on Phase 7. Let's start with the yellow side facing us, right here. And then we look at our focus piece. This is green and yellow. So since this has yellow in it, we ignore that focus piece. This focus piece has blue and orange. So I'm going to hold the front of this, and we're going to find the orange side. And it's right here. So we made the orange T. So that's what our T looks like. Okay, so now that we've made the T, what do? We look at this color. This is blue on our focus piece facing us. And we just have to determine which side has blue. This is the green side, and this is the blue side. Since the blue side is on the left side, then our keyword is left. So we're going to go do those ABCs. A, we go away from the keyword side, which is in the case left, away from left. Bottom goes left. Columns come down on the left side. Delicious sandwich goes left, which is the whole group right here. That's the whole sandwich. It's a big sandwich. And then everything goes back up on the left side. Then we find and fix our whites. And so this could be a little tricky. So just hold it where the white side is facing up. And then we're going to bring this side, which is the biggest piece of white, up here. And you have this one by itself. So we put it off to the side like that. And we simply take both of these sides up. And then once those are like that, we just bring this one over here. And then we fix these. Okay, we have another focus piece. This is, again, yellow and blue. It has yellow in it. I ignore it. This also has yellow in it. Ignore it. Orange and green. Take to the orange side. Now we look at green. Green is either left or right. See, that's not left, so it has to be right. Our keyword is right, so this piece is going to go away from right. Bottom goes right. Column comes down on the right side. Delicious sandwich goes right. Everything goes back up on the right side. And then we find and fix those whites. I'm going to put the white side up top. And then we're going to take this biggest piece, take it up to the white side. And now we just have this piece by itself. It hides off to the side. These both go up like so. Then we bring that one out of hiding like that. Then we just bring those back down. All right, yellow side's facing us again. This has yellow in it. We're going to ignore it. This is blue and red. Let's take it to the blue side. Okay, we made the blue T. Which side has the red? Left side. So our keyword is left, going away from left. Bottom goes left. Column comes down on the left side. Delicious sandwich goes left. Everything goes back up on the left side. And we're going to find and fix those whites. Once again, the white side is facing up. I'm going to take the biggest chunk of white and put it right there. Now this guy by itself, he hides. We're going to take both of this left and right up to the forward and bring this one out of hiding. Okay, that's got yellow in it. That's got yellow in it. There we go, there's green. Take it to the green side. We made the green T. This red, it's not on the left side, so it's gonna be on the right. So away from the right, bottom goes right, column comes down on the right, delicious sandwich goes to the right. Everything goes back up on the right side. Let's fix those whites. The white side is facing up. Just like before, this one's by itself. We're gonna move it off to the side, bring these up, and then fix that. All right, it's got yellow, that's got yellow, yellow, and yellow. I've got all yellows. Let's just check to see if we're done, and we are. If you can go from a scrambled cube and get your cube to look just like this, and you can do it in under 20 minutes, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then go to the description and click on Phase 7. Thanks to all my patrons. And thanks to those on the awesome person level. Special thanks to those on the premium person level: Daniel Robbins, Ellen Reggiano, the O'Hearn family, Anna Bankrier, Marquise Thompson, Gregory Chandler.